Welcome to our guide on understanding the Permanent Labor Certification, or PERM process, specifically tailored for employees. In this video, we will cover an introduction to the PERM process, what happens during layoffs, key considerations, and best practices. Let's explore what happens to your PERM application during a layoff. First, let's look at the outcome depending on certain factors. If the PERM application is filed, and then a layoff occurs after that time, your application is generally unharmed provided you're not laid off. Your employer is able to continue pursuing the process. However, if you are laid off, then the PERM application is essentially unusable for you. In such cases, your employer will likely withdraw the application as its link is specific to employment with that company and cannot be transferred to a different employer. Now let's delve deeper into some critical aspects to consider. The PERM process includes showing that there are no qualified U.S. workers available to take the position. A layoff might suggest a change in the employer's needs, which could affect the demonstration required in the PERM application. Employers also remain accountable for all information requests during the process. Layoffs may further complicate the proceedings. Let's take a quick quiz. What happens to a PERM application if you are laid off after filing? Option A, it continues unaffected. Option B, application is withdrawn. Option C, application transfers to new employer. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is, application is withdrawn. If you are laid off, the PERM application is typically withdrawn as it is tied to your specific employment. Let's move on to best practices. The foremost practice is to maintain great communication with your employer throughout the process. Additionally, seeking legal advice from an immigration attorney can provide more tailored guidance for your specific circumstances. To summarize, understanding how PERM works is crucial, especially when dealing with layoffs. The specific outcome depends heavily on timing and whether you are personally affected by the layoff. Always keep the communication lines with your employer open and consider legal counsel to navigate through this process effectively. Thank you for watching our video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more informational content. Have a great day.